maybe what we should do after some time, when the first group is finished with these questions,
Yeah.
maybe you can escort them out,
Yeah.
and we could give the big picture, or the opening remarks, etc. again to the
We
second.
could do that actually. Yes. So we have about 3-4 minutes more to close the press conference.
And the fact that we are now starting our own facility here is an indication of our permanent commitment to the city and the importance that we are giving to it. The facility that you see here today has a capacity for 2,800 people. Overall, interestingly, that at this point of time, without adding all of that capacity, just taking in approximately 500 people that we have here, then we say that Mindtree today has a capacity of about 8,700 seats. We're about 8,000 people together with the Aztec Soft team. And we do think that Chennai will become one of our most important centers for growth as we go ahead. One important thing for us is that, like a lot of the smaller companies in the past, we did not own our own facilities. So we pay a very heavy rental as a proportion of sales cost. And that reduces our profitability with respect to larger companies who own their facilities. We've begun the process now of creating our own facilities, as this case shows. It does require heavy investments, the investment of just 80 crores in the building alone. But over a period of time, it will give us a lot of benefits. I think this investment also shows our confidence in the future of the industry. We are not saying that we are worried by the so-called global slowdown. Robust, and we're making investments to create the infrastructure to be able to meet that growth. We believe a good sign from the angle of the country is that also the governments have now started developing tier 2 and tier 3 towns, which is very important. In this industry, you need to create the infrastructure in advance, and then the business will follow. Globally, people have begun creating a lot of infrastructure. And if we don't do that, then India will fall behind. And so that's a very important step that has begun to take place. And I think from our angle, one of the things, while we're very pleased with Chennai, we think it is a wonderful work culture, we think the environment is good, the infrastructure